In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot integration with QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through adding the QuickBooks connection from inside HubSpot so you can keep your sales and finance data aligned. Start on your HubSpot home screen, then open the settings by clicking the gear icon, usually found in the top navigation. This takes you into the admin area where all connection and configuration options live. Next, head to the integration section. This is your central place for bringing external tools into HubSpot and managing how they share data. From there, open Connected Apps. This view shows what's already installed, and it's also the jumping off point when you want to add something new. To add QuickBooks, select the option to go to the app marketplace. Think of the marketplace as HubSpot's catalog of vetted integrations and connectors. If you don't see the marketplace button, you may need admin permissions. Check with your account admin to ensure you have access. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type QuickBooks. That should surface listings related to QuickBooks Online. Depending on your setup and region, you might see several connectors that help pass information between HubSpot and QuickBooks. In many accounts, you'll find listings from workflow tools that bridge the two platforms, such as N8n.cloud or similar providers. Choose the listing that best matches your needs for syncing contacts, deals, invoices, or payments. If you're unsure, open the listing details to review features, supported objects, data flow direction, and any usage limits or pricing. Once you've selected the appropriate listing, click Install. This begins the standard HubSpot install flow. You may be prompted to confirm which HubSpot account to connect, review permissions, and accept terms. It's normal for finance-related integrations to request access to objects like contacts, companies, deals, and invoice data. Make sure these align with your organization's policies before proceeding. If your role doesn't allow installation, your admin can complete this step for you. After installation, the integration will appear back in your Connected Apps list, where you can access settings, view logs, and manage the connection. It's a good practice to run a small test, such as syncing a sample contact or deal, so you can verify fields map the way you expect. If anything looks off, revisit the app's configuration page or documentation in the marketplace listing for guidance on mappings and sync rules. That's it for connecting HubSpot with QuickBooks Online through the marketplace. Follow these steps, review permissions carefully, and you'll be set up to streamline your sales to finance handoff with confidence.